I'm over at the UAB Edge of Chaos. Just finish up with the UAB CHIA Innovation Workshop. CHIA stands for the Community Health Innovation Awards. So this is the kickoff of the sixth CHIA grant funding cycle. People who have ideas on how to come up with innovative ways and strategies to impact the community were invited to come participate in this workshop. Did a bunch of brainstorming activities, just try to get the innovative juices flowing. People made their pitches as far as the ideas that they are thinking about. So people were encouraged to collaborate with others, to partner with others, and given instructions on what to do next. So this is an award program that my wife and I actually got a grant from several years ago to start an initiative called Inhabit Bush Hills, which then became Inhabit Birmingham, which has really launched a lot of things for me in my career. So I came back to participate as a CHIA grantee, as you see right here. So I just kind of gave my story of why did I participate in the program, why did I apply, what was it like when we did the pitch competition, and then what did we do after we got the funding to impact our community. So it was an awesome time, got a chance to meet a lot of people, probably at least 50 or 60 people that were here today. So looking forward to seeing what everybody comes up with, looking forward to participating in the pitch competition to see what ideas are brought forth and see who actually brings home the money. So just kind of keeping you informed. Take care. Peace out.